Power Monitor. Track energy of connected devices for smarter power management. Schedule automatic shut-off times and restore status after power failure. No energy monitoring or advanced settings on Wink. USB port. Charge your tablet or headphones and get on, off, charging, charged. Reports to your email or phone. No Z-Wave control, reports only. Turn off the device while charging for best results. Simple setup. Just plug it in to a standard receptacle. The extra compact design allows you to fit 2 double plugs in the same receptacle. Go to Zooz support website for step-by-step instructions how to add and use the double plug with your Z-Wave hub. Certified. This device features overload protection and has been confirmed by ETL Labs to comply with North American safety standards. It's equipped with the latest S2 Smart Security. Your hub needs to support S22 and Z-Wave Plus 500 chip to offer longer range and faster communication speed. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with Smartthings. This Zwave plug is designed for heavy-duty appliances, like refrigerators and AC units. The build quality of the plug certainly reflects its intended use. The cable is thick and the module in the middle is made of thick quality plastic. If you're using Smartthings like me, I'd highly recommend you download the device handler from the Smartest Houses website prior to pairing. Without it you won't have all the energy monitoring features this includes. Unfortunately, I can't put a link in my review for you. The energy monitor shows you watts, kWh, voltage and amps. Turns out my toaster oven uses about 1400 W at about 12 amps. I really appreciate monitoring my energy usage, which was a big draw for me to this particular Zwave device. But it's heavy-duty enough to use most of your bigger appliances with it, up to 1800 W. With Smartthings, this device registers as a power monitoring device, which allows you to set up all kinds of new rules with the smart apps. There are also a ton of configurable options for the plug. Side note, there is an LED light on the plug itself that shows how much energy is being used by changing colors. I've never seen this feature before and I like it.